Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to unmute someone on Telegram. If you've previously muted a chat and you're missing important messages, don't worry. Fixing it only takes a few seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you're using multiple profiles. Once you're inside the app, go to the chat where the person is currently muted. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find them faster. After opening the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. This is where the chat settings are located. Tap on those 3 dots to open the options menu. Now, in the menu that appears, you should see the unmute option. Tap on unmute, and that's it. The chat is now active again, and you'll start receiving notifications from that person as usual. If you don't see the unmute option right away, it might appear as enable notifications depending on your app version. Both options do the same thing, so just tap whichever one is visible. And just like that, you've successfully unmuted someone on Telegram. This is especially useful if you've muted chats during busy hours or to avoid distractions. And now you're ready to stay updated again. Telegram makes it really simple to manage your notifications, so you're always in control of who can reach you and when. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to get the most out of your messaging experience.